Hey there, how are you? Keeping records of the interactions with your customers is the backbone of any CRM system. But in time, sorting through these records might be challenging and you might just be missing out on something important. So let's take a look at how Dynamics 365 and model-driven apps can help you with that. We got here the record of an account, a datum, and in the timeline, just in the middle of the screen, we have displayed all customer interactions. And for sure, we can browse through these, we can scroll, looking for something important. But much better, much more efficient is to filter these records and look for something that might just get our attention. And I can see that we have an activity which status is overdue, and this is a big thing. So I'm going to filter on this one, and the record is there showing me what I need to do now. The thing is, imagine you want to do this in many accounts, or you do this frequently. You don't want to have to click on every option every time. So one thing you can do is bookmark your filters. And just by clicking here and choosing your bookmark, there you go. The same result in a more efficient way. Give it a go in your system. Bye.